make someone's day feel just right. At school or at the park, a cheerful hello leaves a mark. Meet a friend or someone new, a polite hello is nice to do. Good morning when the day begins, sharing kindness always wins. Good evening when the sun goes down, a friendly smile beats every frown. Hello here and hello there, showing others that we care. Kind words are a simple way to spread happiness every day. Smile and say hello today. Friendly greetings lead the